Hi guys, I am here to show you how to get your folder set up for Spanish class. So if you are in need of your folder grade for this class, this is the video for you. So what you're going to need is you're going to need to be in your Google Drive. So head on over to your Google Drive, and you can do this one of two ways. You can hit New and then create a folder, or you can right-click using two fingers, okay, and then hit New Folder. So let's create a new folder. And for my class, you're going to want to make it identifiable as something that's for my class. So we'll do Miss Vance Spanish class. We'll do 4th hour. And so now we'll go find that. Miss Vance has 800 folders in her Google Drive because she is old and has many, many folders that have collected over the years. And then she's going to open it. She's going to double click to open it. And lo and behold, nothing in there. Wow, that is kind of a shame. So, what needs to be in here, the first thing that needs to be in here is her notebook, her cuaderno. So what it's going to ask you to do the very first time is going to make a copy. Now this is going to be a clean copy with absolutely nothing in it. Okay, so you only have to do this one time, and you should only do this one time. So this is the very first time you do this. You're going to make a copy, and it's going to be a bright and fresh copy, and eventually it's going to get there. And here it is. Still loading. You got this. Come on, internet. There we go. Okay. So these are your notes. In order for you to be able to turn these in when I take grade checks, this is your cuaderno, this is your notebook. You're going to have cuaderno. Then you're going to have first name, your first name. So this is first name, last name, and then your class period. So I'm in 4th hour. Okay. And because it's in your Google Drive, it saves automatically. Okay, it tells you like last edit was seconds ago. Okay, and then down here, underneath me, this is my example, and then this is where we put all of our notes. Okay, now say you happen to miss a day of notes, you can come over here and open up your resource cuaderno. Now the resource cuaderno can't like hang out in your Google Drive, but you can access it anytime you want to, just from our front page. So here's our different pages. So if you missed some notes, or if you want to compare and contrast notes, you can come over here. You've got some notes that you've taken. Come over here. This first one is a Quizlet. Okay, and it'll take you to the Quizlet for this particular class. And you can be like, oh, did I spell that right? Did I get this wrong? Oh my gosh, I did such a good job. Yay, go me. And you can see whether or not you have everything you need. Okay, so when it is time for us to turn things in, you will need your notes. Okay, you've got your notes for vocab in Spanish, what it means in English. If that unit had any Q's and A's, it may not have. And then your bell work. So like if it was 7/15 was the date, and then 7/16 was the next date. And then 7/18, guess we had school over the summer. 7/19 was the date, etc. So there's our bell work, and then all of your bell work goes in there. Okay, all of your notes will go in there. Okay, just like this example that I've got laid out for you here. Okay, so if you have questions, let me know. I can help you. And this, if you look in here, we will now add, it's empty, so we'll now add it. We're going to move it from here. We're going to find the one that we named for Miss Vance Spanish class, 4th hour, move it, click back on over here, and boom, yay, magic, the magic of internet. Great, love it, sold. Okie dokie, buena suerte, guys.